The Beach House is the film that's happening in one space and inside a house with 4 people. We're spending one night with 2 sisters, where the younger sister haven't seen her friends for a long time ago, for like 10 years from university, and she invited them to their house, where we spent the night with the 4 of them. The whole night starts with like each one of them has things that he wants to share, but things that he wants to hide, and then things start unfolding during the night. And on the other side, it's mainly a film about an Arab generation that is usually I'm describing as like roaming over the ruins of values and ideologies. So in fact, the whole film and the discussions and the actions of these 4 people are much more related to the nonchalance that the Arab generation is like somehow living in now.